आप लोग को डायरेक्ट बोलना स्टार्ट करना है. So just try at the beginning, and if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me anytime. All right, that's really good. That when do we use this is now? Who can tell me? Miss Supriya, Miss Aisha, Miss Mehak. When do we use this is?
When something is near and singular.
Correct. When something is near and when something is singular. For example, this is a switchboard. Correct. Now I can say this is a switchboard. This is an extension board. So this is a switchboard. Is this a switchboard? This isn't a switchboard. This is an extension board. Is this an extension board? This isn't an extension board. Okay. So when do we use this is? When something is near and when something is singular. I want you to make sentences once again with singular countable noun with this is. Yes. Can you please give me some sentences now with singular countable noun with this is? Faster. One by one, one by one. Please start. Yes, please start gently.
This is a
Sentences
milk.
with.
Is this a milk? This is a
Good.
milk. Is this milk? This isn't a milk.
Very good. Next.
This is a dessert. Is
This
this
is
a
a
dessert?
rocket. Is this a rocket?
Good. This
A
is a
dessert.
desert. Is this a desert? This is a desert. Next, Mr. Jai.
This is a rocket. Is this a rocket? This is not rocket.
Good. Next. Keep on making sentences. Keep on. I'm listening. Keep on.
This is a cup. Is this a cup? This isn't a cup.
Good. Next. Speak up. Speak up. Next.
This is a CD. Is this a CD? This isn't CD.
Keep on making sentences. Next. Miss Supriya, make sentences. Miss Mahek, Miss Aisha.
This is a format. This isn't a format.
Good. Next.
This is a house. This is not a house.
Next. Next. अरे आप लोग बहुत शांत बैठे हैं आज, एकदम चुप बैठे हैं. Speak up, please. Shoaib, speak up. Mr. Jai, speak up. Miss Aisha, speak up. Miss
This is a
Shaima.
hammock. Is this a hammock? This isn't a hammock.
A hammock. A hammock. Next.
This is a sugar. Is this a sugar? This is not a sugar.
No, sugar is uncountable. हम लोग sugar को count कर सकते हैं क्या? एक sugar बोलेंगे क्या? एक sugar, दो sugar.
सर
No.
केजी में तो
Sugar is-
काउंट कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, केजी में कर सकते हैं, पर आपने केजी नहीं बोला है. आपने यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली शुगर बोला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर. हम लोग वाटर को बोल सकते हैं क्या? 1 water, 2 water. डायरेक्टली फिंगर पे काउंट कर सकते हैं उसको?
No.
No. So water is uncountable. Correct. So like this, what? Documents. Sugar is also uncountable. Next.
This is a lamb. Is this a lamb? This isn't lamb.
Next. Lamp. Next. Miss Mahek, speak up. Hello.
This is a classroom. Is this a classroom? This isn't a classroom.
Good. Classroom. Next. Next.
This is a highlighter. This is a highlighter.
This is an astrologer. This is
Good.
an astrologer.
Very good. This is a highlighter. This is an astrologer. Next one. Anyone else with this is? When do we use this is? When something is near and when something is singular. For example, this is a phone. Is this a phone? This isn't a phone. Correct? This is a curtain. This is a curtain. This isn't a curtain. Yes, ma'am.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है
Yes, please ask.
सर स्काई काउंटेबल है या अनकाउंटेबल है
Uncountable.
कैसे
Uncountable.
सर
Sky is
Sky तो एक
uncountable. Very good. ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन एक 3-4 साल पहले एक स्टूडेंट ने किया था. बट एक्चुअली हम लोग स्काई को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. लेट मी टेल यू हियर. सिंपल. अब जैसे कि बॉटल है, राइट? मैं इसको बॉटल बोल सकता हूँ. क्यों बॉटल बोल रहा हूँ मैं? बिकॉज आई कैन काउंट इट. आई कैन काउंट इट. काउंटेबल नाउन है. यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे फिनिश हो रहा है, राइट? तो मैं इसको एक
Yes.
बोल सकता हूँ, करेक्ट? बट स्काई कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है, कहाँ से उसको कहाँ तक के काउंट करेंगे हम लोग? कैन वी काउंट इट?
No.
No. So sky is literally uncountable. अब जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल लैपटॉप है, लैपटॉप यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है. टी शर्ट है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है, नीचे एंड हो रही है, राइट? बट स्काई कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है? मीन्स वी डोंट हैव एनी starting or the ending point of sky. That's why sky will be uncountable. Simple.
Or
Getting it?
milk.
Milk is liquid. जितने भी liquid है, all the liquids are uncountable. हम लोग ऐसे कभी बोलते हैं क्या? This is a water. एक पानी बोलेंगे क्या? अरे मैंने 3.5 पानी पिया, कभी बोलेंगे क्या ऐसा?
No.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हम लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे चाय के अंदर 3.5 शक्कर डालो, बोलते कभी ऐसा?
No.
No. The things which could not be counted directly on our fingers are called uncountable. Simple. जो भी चीज है जो हमारे फिंगर पे काउंट नहीं होती है उसको हम लोग अनकाउंटेबल बोलेंगे. Getting it? समझ में आ रहा है?
But sir, sky तो only one.
हाँ, अभी मैंने वही तो बोला. अभी वन कहाँ से कब बोलेंगे उसको? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर अभी आप लोग देखेंगे फाइल है, राइट? ये फाइल यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है, तो हम इसको एक बोल सकता हूँ, करेक्ट? बट स्काई को कहाँ से काउंट करूंगा मैं? कर सकता हूँ क्या? Sky
सर
को
अगर
count-
1 सर अगर दिस इज अ 1 kg शुगर ऐसा बोले तो काम कर सकते हैं ना?
कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ 1 kg. अब यहाँ पर भी वही मैटर है. दिस इज अ 1 kg. ये एक kg शुगर है. अ का मतलब क्या बताया था मैंने कल आप लोगों को? व्हाट इज अ मींस इन इंग्लिश?
One.
अब हम लोग वहाँ पे बोलेंगे कि दिस इज अ 1 kg शुगर. नहीं, ये एक शुगर है, 1 किलो शुगर है, ऐसे बोलेंगे क्या उसको? जनरली सुनने में थोड़ा सा नॉनसेंस लगेगा. मींस व्हाट? ग्रामेटिकली भी सूट नहीं करेगा वहाँ पर. सो हम लोग वी कैन से डायरेक्टली दिस इज अ kg शुगर. दिस इज अ kg शुगर, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके? सो दिस इज अ kg शुगर. वी कैन से 1 kg हम लोग उसको बोल सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, या तो फिर अ kg. वहाँ पे अ 1 kg नहीं बोलेंगे वहाँ पर. ओके? Any doubts to anyone? आज
No,
बहुत
sir.
सारे students absent है. Okay, hope for the best as they would be coming soon. Next one, let's go for the next one. And that's what we're going to start here. That is. When do we use that is? When do we use
When
that is?
something is
When
away of
something is away and singular.
Correct. When something is away and when something is singular. For example, that is a door. Is that a door? That isn't a door. That's a curtain. Is that a curtain? That isn't a curtain. That's a highlighter. Is that a highlighter? That isn't a highlighter. That's a window. Is that a window? That isn't a window. Can you please give me good sentences with that?
that is a bicycle. It is a bicycle. It is
That
not a
isn't.
bicycle.
That's a bicycle. Is that a bicycle? That isn't
Is that a bicycle? That is not a bicycle.
good one. Next.
That is a cup. Is that a cup? That isn't a cup.
Next.
That is a Wi-Fi. Is that a Wi-Fi? That is not Wi-Fi.
A Wi-Fi. Next.
That is a speaker. Is that a speaker? That isn't a speaker.
Good. Next.
That is a
That
sofa.
is a
Is that a sofa? That isn't sofa.
That isn't a sofa. Next. Next.
That is a bungalow. Is that a bungalow? That is not a bungalow.
Good. That's a bungalow. Is that a bungalow? That isn't a bungalow. Next.
That is a machine. Is that a machine? That isn't a machine.
Good. Next. बाकी लोग पार्टी में आए क्या भाई? Make sentences please faster.
That is a chair. Is that a chair? That isn't a chair.
Very good. Next.
That is an oven.
That is
Is
a
that an
LED.
oven? Not an oven.
Good. An oven. Make sentences with these new words. ये new words के साथ में sentence बनाओ. Yes. Next.
That is a wire. Is that a wire? That is not a wire.
Next. That's a palace. Is that a palace? That isn't a palace. That's a station. Is that a station? That isn't a station. Fuel station. That's a cell phone. Is that a cell phone? That isn't a cell phone. What's the difference between cell phone and mobile?
सेल फोन मतलब छोटा ना, छोटा फोन.
मोबाइल बड़ा रहता है क्या? सही
नहीं, वो एंड्रॉइड फोन.
And
सॉरी सर.
yes. What's the difference between cell phone and mobile? Cell phone and
Both
mobile.
are same.
Correct. Both are the same. So why do we have the different words?
Maybe some different
Cell
like
phone.
countries. So that is called different
Exactly
name.
right. If you see here, cell phone is an American word and mobile is a British word. That's it. बाकी कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है. Same case if you see here, word is a tap. Correct? Faucet and tap दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. Tap मतलब नल, फॉसेट मतलब नल. फॉसेट अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, टैप ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं. आप लोग लकी हैं कि आपको मेरे क्लास के अंदर अमेरिकन प्लस ब्रिटिश दोनों भी इंग्लिश एक साथ में सीखने मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लोजे एंड कबर्ड बोथ आर द सेम. क्लोजे अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं कबर्ड को, कबर्ड ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, जो कि हम लोग नॉर्मली पढ़ते हैं. ओके, सेम केस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लोजे, फॉसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फुटबॉल को अमेरिकन लोग क्या बोलते हैं? यस, व्हाट डू अमेरिकन पीपल कॉल फुटबॉल? अमेरिकन लोग फुटबॉल को क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज टेल मी. यस, वो लोग बोलते हैं सॉकर. क्या बोलते हैं वो लोग? सॉकर बोलते हैं हम लोग. अमेरिकन लोग फुटबॉल को बोलते हैं सॉकर. ओके, याद रखना है. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. ओ माय गॉड, लेट्स गो. दैट्स सो.
That is a battery. Is that a battery? That isn't a battery.
क्या यार, कैसे लोग हैं आप लोग? गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is format. Is that format? That is not format.
और फॉर्मेट्स. गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a floor. Is that a floor? That is not a floor.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a clock. Is that a clock? That isn't a clock.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a sink. Is that a sink? That is not a sink.
नेक्स्ट.
That is a bulletin board.
switchboard. Is that a switchboard? That isn't a switchboard.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a bowl. Is that a ball? That isn't a bowl.
बाउल. गुड. नेक्स्ट.
It is a roaster. Is that a roaster? That isn't a roaster.
Rooster. Next. That's a chum. Is that a chum? That isn't a chum. Yes. Next. Anyone else? Yes. Anyone else?
Sir, automated stair. वो क्या था?
Pardon? Yes, madam. Repeat.
Automated stair. वहाँ पे था ना वो. LED के सामने.
Escalator बोलते हैं उनको. Automated
हाँ.
stairs. Escalator. वो एयरपोर्ट पे अपने मॉल में देखा रहेगा, ऑटोमेटिक स्टेयर्स रहते, चल ऑटोमेटिक चलती रहती है वो. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? एस्केलेटर. दैट्स एन एस्केलेटर. इज दैट एन एस्केलेटर? दैट इजंट एन एस्केलेटर. नेक्स्ट वन. चलो जल्दी जल्दी. नेक्स्ट वन. दैट्स अ. नेक्स्ट.
That is a hospital. Is that a hospital? That isn't a hospital.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a
दैट्स अ.
mango. That is a mango tree. Is that a mango tree? That is not a mango tree.
गुड. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट.
That is a plumber. Is that a plumber? That isn't a plumber.
वहाँ पे बी साइलेंट रहेगा. ओके, उसके पीछे रूल है, मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगा. दैट्स अ प्लम्बर. इज दैट अ प्लम्बर? दैट इजंट अ प्लम्बर. दैट्स एन एलिवेटर. इज दैट एन एलिवेटर? दैट इजंट एन एलिवेटर. यस, कंटिन्यू.
That is a flower. Is that a flower? That is not flower.
गुड.
That is a latch. Is that a latch? That isn't a latch.
लैच.
इसका मीनिंग क्या है सर?
लैच वो आपका डोर रहता है, मालूम है ना? डोर का जो घुमाने का वो रहता है, लॉक देखा रहेगा आप लोगों ने,
हाँ
डोर
पता
का
है.
घुमाने का, उसको बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट.
That is a lock. Is that a lock? That is not lock.
दैट इजंट अ लॉक. नेक्स्ट.
That is a floor. Is that a floor? That isn't a floor.
नेक्स्ट.
That is a temple. Is that a temple? That isn't a temple.
गुड. नेक्स्ट.
That is a school. Is that a school? That is not a school.
गुड. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा मौका है, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो स्टूडेंट्स का.
That is a church. Is that a church?
That is a flag.
गुड. यस.
That is a flag. Is that a flag? That is not flag.
नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट.
That is a bulletin board. Is that a bulletin board? That isn't a bulletin board. सर इसका
Good,
मीनिंग
next.
क्या है? बुलेटिन बोर्ड.
बुलेटिन बोर्ड नोटिस बोर्ड होता है, पता है आप लोगों का? कॉलेज में, स्कूल में
हाँ.
देखा रहेगा आप लोगों ने, ग्रीन कलर का. दैट्स अ बुलेटिन
हाँ
बोर्ड.
हाँ.
Okay, let's go for the next one, and that's what today we are going to start here with. These are, okay, these are Next one, next heading is there for today, 27th of May, and the new heading is there for these are. Now when do we use these? These कब use करते हैं हम लोग?
Yeah.
When something is near and when something is plural.
Correct. When something is near and when something is plural. Correct. जब कोई चीज नजदीक रहेगा और एक से ज्यादा रहेगा, हम लोग उसके लिए यूज करेंगे these. Okay. For example, जैसे कि ये नजदीक है, मेरे पास में है और मेरे पास में है, plural है, fingers, मेरे fingers है, right? एक से ज्यादा है ना. So when something is near and when something is plural, we call it these are. Okay. These are we are using for plural and present. We are using for plural and present. Okay. For example, these are fingers. ये fingers है. Are these fingers? क्या ये fingers है? These aren't fingers. Are not का short form आएगा aunt. Are not का short form रहेगा aunt. These aren't fingers. So these are fingers. Are these fingers? These aren't fingers. Can we put there a or an?
Sir.
Can we put there a or an?
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Because they prefer.
Correct, because it is what already plural. Miss Mahek, mute yourself. Because it is already plural and we can't count it. Means what? Ultimately, it is already plural. Sorry, we can count it, but it is already plural. और plural के लिए a और an नहीं लगाते. A का मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में?
One.
One. An का मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में? One. A means what? One. An means what? One in English. Okay. Remember this. Don't forget it. A means what? One. And an means what? One in English. All right. Both are having same meaning. But here we are making sentences with plural countable nouns. So we are not going to put there a or an. Okay. We are not going to put there a or an here at all. So these are peddlers. Are these peddlers? These aren't peddlers. Same sentence with vowels. For example, these are umbrellas. These are umbrellas. Simple sentence. Are these umbrellas? Not an. Why? Why? Because plural है वो, or an लगता है singular के लिए. Okay. And these aren't umbrellas. These aren't umbrellas. Okay. Any doubts? These are umbrellas. Are these umbrellas? These aren't umbrellas. Though it is starting with what? A vowel, we are not going to put there a or an. Why? Because it is plural. Make sentences. These are. For example, अब जैसे कि मैं बोल सकता हूँ. These are foolscaps. Are these foolscaps? These aren't foolscaps. These are chargers. Are these chargers? These aren't chargers. These are letters. Are these letters? These aren't letters. These are curtains. Are these curtains? These aren't curtains. These are hammocks. Are these hammocks? These aren't hammocks. These are tiles. Are these tiles? These aren't tiles. These are chairs. Are these chairs? These aren't chairs. Okay. So here we go. Sentences with plural countable noun. Start, please. Yes, start. These are.
These are pillow. Are these
These
pillow?
are across.
Correct, her. These are pillow.
These are pillow. Are these pillow? These are aren't pillow.
Correct, her. मैडम थोड़ा मिस्टेक कर रही है, करेक्ट करो. बाकी के लोग बेवड़े के टाइप जैसे बैठो मत.
Pillows.
Pillows.
करेक्ट, पिलोज. वहाँ पे प्लूरल आना चाहिए. देवी और सजनों, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. यहाँ पे जो एस है इसको प्लूरल करना है. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. एस लगाना बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऑलराइट. दीज आर पिलोज. आर दीज पिलोज? दीज आरंट पिलोज. वो एस का आवाज आना चाहिए. ओके. नहीं आया तो हमारा गलती हो सकता है. सो गेट रेडी फॉर दिस वन नाउ. नेक्स्ट वन, जल्दी. दीज आर.
These are markets. Are these
These are
markets?
bikes. Are these
markets.
bikes? These are not bikes.
अरे मिस्टर जय, be a gentleman. When someone is speaking, just pause a little. Next one. These are markets. Are these markets? These aren't markets. Next.
These are chocolates. Are these chocolates? These aren't chocolates.
Good. These are chocolates. Are these chocolates? These aren't chocolates. Next.
These are cars. Are these cars? These aren't cars.
Very good. Madam, try to take some complicated words. Ms. Aisha, start. Rajo, start. Shoaib, start. Faster. These are
These are plumbers. Are these plumbers? These aren't plumbers.
plumbers. Plumbers. Be silent. Next.
These are peanuts. Are these peanuts?
Upholsters.
Are peanuts.
Good. Peanuts. Upholsters. Continue. Upholsters.
These are upholsters. Are these upholsters? These aren't upholsters.
Upholsters. Very good. Next. Take new words and make sentences. These are anklets. Are these anklets? These aren't anklets. These are trumpets. Are these trumpets? These aren't trumpets. These are stumps. Are these stumps? These aren't stumps. These are referees. Are these referees? These aren't referees. These are
These
plugs.
are
Are
bat-
these plugs? Yes, bats.
These are batteries. Are these batteries? These aren't batteries.
Good. Next.
These are goons. Are these goons? These aren't goons.
Goons. Next.
These are
These are clocks.
are these banquets. These aren't banquets.
Banquets. Very good. These are
These
banquets.
are
Are these
clocks.
banquets? These aren't banquets.
Sir, what do you mean by banquets?
बैंक्वे हॉल होता है ना, शादी का हॉल गार्डन के साथ में रहता है, उसको बैंक्वे
Okay.
बोलेंगे. बड़ा लॉन होता है, लॉन गार्डन. यस, कंटिन्यू.
These are passengers. Are these passengers? These aren't passengers.
पैसेंजर्स. नेक्स्ट. यस, नेक्स्ट.
Advocates. Are these advocates? These aren't advocates.
एडवोकेट्स. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट. चलो भाई, नेक्स्ट. These are engineers. Or these
These are
engineers.
towels. These aren't towels.
Towels. Next one. These are
These are
authors.
islands.
Are these authors? These aren't authors.
These are islands. Are these islands? These aren't islands.
Islands. Very good. Next. These are lawns. Are these lawns? These aren't lawns. These are emperors. Are these emperors? These aren't emperors. Yes.
These are principles. Are these principles? Are these principles?
These aren't
These aren't principles.
principles. Next. Next.
These are actors.
These are-
Are these actors? These aren't
These-
actors.
Actors. Next.
This is a.
These are
These are ocean. Are these ocean? These are not ocean.
oceans. Oceans. Correct
Ocean.
her. She has committed a mistake. Correct her. Oceans.
Ocean.
Very good. Next. Next.
These are palmies. Are these
These are
palmies?
stars.
These aren't palmies.
Very good. Promise. Stars.
These are stars. Is these are stars?
Are these?
These are not stars.
Correct. These are stars. Are these stars? These aren't stars. Next.
These are marketers. These are marketers. These aren't marketers.
Very good. These are crayons. Are these crayons? These aren't crayons. These are wooden toys. Are the wooden toys? These aren't wooden toys. Continue. Rajjo, make
These are
sentences.
builders. Are these builders? These aren't builders.
Very good. Next.
These are handles. Are these handles? These
Aren't handles.
aren't handles.
Very
These
good.
are
Hello.
handcraft. Are these handcraft? These aren't handcraft.
Good. Next.
These are hammers. Are these hammers? These are hammers.
Aren't hammers. Very good. Next.
These are stretchers. Are these stretchers? These aren't stretchers.
Stretchers. Next.
These
Next.
are lamps.
These
Are
are
these
children.
lamps? These aren't lamps.
Next. Children.
These are children's. Are these
Children.
children's? These are not children's.
Correct him.
Children.
Correct him. Children is already
The-
plural. उसको हम लोग children's बोलेंगे क्या?
नहीं.
No. Children is already plural. Next. These are enchantress. Are these enchantress? These aren't enchantress. Next. These are lamps. Are these lamps?
These
These aren't
are-
lamps. Yes.
These are trains. These are trains. Are these trains? These aren't trains.
Good. Next. Trains. These are trainers. Are
These
these
are
trainers? These
arenas.
aren't trainers.
These arenas. These aren't arenas.
Arenas. Next.
These are snakes. Are these
Very
snakes?
nice.
These aren't snakes.
Snakes. Next.
These are shops. Are these shops? These aren't shops.
Shops. Next. अरे ढिल्ले लोग बोलो जल्दी जल्दी
These are
फटाफट.
ponds. Are these ponds?
These
These
gears.
are
These
aren't
aren't
ponds.
gears.
Ponds. Next.
These
These
are
are
workers.
awards.
Are these workers? These aren't workers.
Next.
These are awards. Are these awards? These are not awards.
Next.
These are classrooms. Are these classroom? These aren't classroom.
Classrooms. Plural, plural, plural.
Classroom.
Next, witches. These are witches. Are these witches? These aren't witches, not witch. Next.
These are tracks. Are these tracks? These aren't tracks.
Next.
These are kites. Are these kites?
Yes, yes.
These are projector. Are these projector? These aren't projectors.
Correct. Projectors. Next.
These are kites. Are these
Flights.
kites?
Okay, kites. Repeat.
These are kites. Are these kites? These are not kites.
These aren't kites. Are not will become aren't. Next.
Aren't.
These are gears. Are these gears? These aren't gears.
Gears. Next.
These are switchboards. Are these switchboards? These aren't switchboards.
Good. Next.
These are clutches. Are these clutches? These aren't clutches.
Good. Next. Yes.
These are churches. Are these churches? These aren't churches.
Churches. Next.
These are stars. Are these stars?
These are rivers. Are
These
these
aren't
rivers?
stars.
These aren't rivers.
Rivers. Stars. Next.
These are PowerPoint. Are these PowerPoint? These aren't PowerPoint.
PowerPoints. Correct, sir. PowerPoints.
PowerPoints.
Next.
These are tracks. Are these tracks? These aren't tracks.
Good. Tracks. Next.
These are platinums. Are these platinum? These aren't platinums.
Good. Yes.
These
Platinum.
are peanuts.
Correct
Are
or not?
these
Platinum is correct or not?
No.
Wrong. Why?
Uncountable.
Uncountable platinum. Correct. Platinum is uncountable. Platinum is absolutely uncountable. Continue, bhai. Chalo, jaldi jaldi, please. Yes.
These are bell. Are these bell? These aren't bell.
Wells. Wells.
These are teachers. Are these teachers?
Bells.
These aren't teachers.
Good. These are escapologists. Are these escapologists? They are escapologists. Next.
These are waitress. Are these waitress? These aren't waitress.
Waitress. Next.
These are drivers.
Sales. Are these sales? These aren't sales.
Cells. Drivers. Next.
These are pythons. Are these pythons? These aren't pythons.
Pythons. Next.
These are monitors. Are these monitors? These aren't monitors.
Good one. Next.
These are fox. Are these fox? These aren't fox.
Good. Next.
These are clips. Are these clips? These aren't clips.
Good one. Next. Sentences, please.
These are rewards. Are these rewards? These aren't rewards.
Next.
These are secretaries. Are these secretaries? These aren't secretaries.
Very good. These are secretaries. Are these secretaries? These aren't secretaries. Next.
These are actors. Are these actors? These aren't actors.
Actors. Next.
These are
The-
headphones.
These
Are
are
these
bureau. Are
these
these
aren't
heroes? Aren't heroes.
Headphones. Heroes. Heroes. When someone is speaking, just wait. Next. Continue.
These are flowers. Are these flowers? These aren't flowers.
Flowers. Flowers. Flowers. Next.
These are books. Are these books? These aren't books.
Good. Next.
These are restaurants. Are these restaurants? These aren't restaurants.
Restaurants. Good. Next.
These are motels. Are these motels? These aren't motels.
Very good. Next.
These are awards. Are these awards? These aren't awards.
Good. Next.
This these are bag. Are these bag? These aren't bag.
Correct, sir.
Bag
Bags.
bag नहीं बोला सर.
इसका साउंड थोड़ा स्ट्रांग निकालो मैम. इसका साउंड थोड़ा स्ट्रांग आना चाहिए. Good. Next.
These are museums. Are these museums? These aren't museums.
Good. Next.
These are plants. Are these plants? These aren't plants.
These aren't plants. Next.
These
Next.
are farmers. Are these farmers? These aren't farmers.
Very good. These are farmers. Are these farmers? These aren't farmers. Next. Yes.
These are buffaloes. Are these buffaloes? These aren't buffaloes.
Good. Next.
These are cats. Are these cats? These aren't cats.
Caps. Next.
These are cables. Are these cables? These aren't cables.
Good. Next. Cables. These are. Let's go for the next one, and that's what those are. When do we use those are? Those are. Those का मतलब क्या होता है? वो. वो. Correct. When something is away and when something is plural. Okay? जब कोई चीज यहाँ से दूर रहेगी और एक से ज्यादा रहेगी तो हम लोग वहां पर क्या बोलेंगे? Those are. मतलब यानी वो है. For example, those are switchboards. Are those switchboards? Those aren't switchboards. Those are mats. Are those mats? Those aren't mats. Those are clips. Are those clips? Those aren't clips. Those are pants. Are those pants? Those aren't pants. Those are hangers. Are those hangers? Those aren't hangers. Those are cushions. Are those cushions? Those aren't cushions. Those are closes. Are those closes? Those aren't closes. Those are windows. Are those windows? Those aren't windows. Those are people. Are those people? Those aren't people. Those are headphones. Are those headphones? Those aren't headphones. Those are binoculars. Are those binoculars? Those aren't binoculars. So when do we use those are? When something is plural and when something is away. When something is plural and when something is away. One more thing is there to show all of you here. After finishing, I'll show you. So when do we use those are? When something is plural and when something is away, we call it those are. मतलब यानी वो है. For example, those are mirrors. वो mirrors है. So those are mirrors. Are those mirrors? Those aren't mirrors. For example, those are rewards. Are those rewards? Those aren't rewards. Those are awards. Are those awards? Those aren't awards. Plural countable noun. We are going to make sentences with those are. मतलब यानी वो है. For example, those are designs. Are those designs? Those aren't designs. Those are carpenters. Are those carpenters? Those aren't carpenters. Those are astrologers. Are those astrologers? Those aren't astrologers. Those are painters. Are those painters? Those aren't painters. Those are skippers. Are those skippers? Those aren't skippers. Those are captains. Are those captains? Those aren't captains. Those are teams. Are those teams? Those aren't teams. Those are stadiums. Are those stadiums? Those aren't stadiums. Those are cities. Are those cities? Those aren't cities. Those are churches. Are those churches? Those aren't churches. Okay? So you have to speak up faster and faster with good new words. Give me good sentences with those are. Have you got it this? When do we use those are? When something is plural and when something is away. जब कोई चीज दूर रहेगी और एक से ज्यादा रहेगी हम लोग वहां पे यूज करेंगे those are. Continue please. Continue. Those are. Those are.
Those
Yes.
are friends. Are those friends? Those aren't friends.
Good. Pens. Pens, right?
Words
friend.
and करो ना sir.
Pardon? Words. Right? Those are. Those are cells. Are those
Those are
cells?
stars.
Those are
New
cells.
words.
New words.
Those
Raju?
are stars. Are those stars?
Yes sir.
Those aren't stars.
Those are
Let's have new words
solicitors.
more.
Are those solicitors? Those aren't solicitors.
Very good. Take new words. Those are motels. Are those motels? Those aren't motels. Those are thrones.
Those
Are those
are-
thrones? Those aren't thrones. Yes.
Those are diaries. Are those diaries? Those aren't diaries.
Those aren't diaries. Next.
Those are loins. Are these loins? Those are loins.
Next. Loins. Loins. S important है. थोड़ा सा pronounce करना है उसको थोड़ा तगड़ा. Loins. Next. Yes.
Those are chair cats.
Those are arenas. Those
Those aren't chair
arenas.
cats.
Those are
Chair
hotels.
cabs,
Are those
arenas.
hotels? Those aren't hotels.
Next.
Those
Next.
are casinos. Are those casinos? Those aren't casinos.
Very good. Next. Casinos.
Those are
Next.
bonds.
Bones.
Those are bonds. Are those bonds?
Are those?
Those aren't bonds.
Those are rocking chairs. Are these rocking chairs? Those aren't rocking chairs.
Those are brooms.
Rock.
Are those broom? Those aren't brooms.
Those are temples. Are those
Good.
temples?
Bones.
Those aren't
Those are
temples.
shorts. Are they shorts? Those are shorts. Very good. Temples. Very good. Next.
Those are hists. Are those hists? Those aren't hists.
Next.
Those are mice. Are those mice?
Those are.
Those aren't mice.
Those are servants. Are those servants? Those aren't servants.
Servants. Next. Next.
Those are iPhones. Are those iPhones? Those aren't iPhones.
Those aren't iPhones. Next.
Those are scuffles. Are those scuffles? Those aren't scuffles.
Scuffles. Very good. एक झगड़े के लिए देखो कितने सारे वर्ड्स हैं इंग्लिश में. आई सीइंग दैट बिलो इन येलो. फाइट. फाइट के लिए कितने सारे वर्ड्स हैं. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. कंपनी के अंदर झगड़ा होता है उसको कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बोलते हैं. रॉ. खाली मारने का. ओनली मारा मारी होती है. दैट्स व्हाट रॉ. स्कफल. तू मैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट. ब्रॉल. ब्रॉल मतलब है नहीं बहुत सारे लोग मिलके बहुत सारे लोग झगड़े करते मालूम है एक साथ में 8-8 10-10 लोग मिलके झगड़े करते. दैट्स व्हाट ब्रॉल. क्वारल. दो लोगों के बीच में झगड़ा होता है मालूम है. तू मैं होती है. बाल बिल पकड़ के खींच के मारते एक मेक को. डिस्प्यूट. कंपनी वगैरह के अंदर डिस्प्यूट होता है. देखो प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट होता है. कॉम्बैट. कॉम्बैट मतलब है नहीं बड़ा वाला झगड़ा. कौन सा वाला. बहुत सारे लोग मिलके एक दूसरे को मारते. दैट्स व्हाट कॉम्बैट. बैटल. छोटा मोटा वॉर होता है ना. छोटी मोटी जंग होती है. दैट्स व्हाट बैटल. वॉर क्या होता है. बड़ी वाली वॉर होती है ना जंग युद्ध. एंड कोल्ड वॉर मतलब है नहीं खाली ऐसे आंखों में झगड़े होते हैं बातों में. रुक मैं तेको बताऊंगा. यस.
इशारों में.
हाँ इशारों. वाह. वेरी नाइस. इशारों में. वेरी नाइस. खतरनाक बॉय. कंटिन्यू. सुपर बॉय. इशारों में झगड़े. मैं डेट पे गया तो तू डेट
Those
पे
are
गया.
identical.
कंटिन्यू. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. कंटिन्यू. यस मैम. स्टार्ट.
Those are love apples. Are those love apples? Those aren't love apples.
गुड. Those are love apples. Are those love apples? Those aren't love apples. लव एप्पल क्या होता है. करेक्ट. चमेचो को बोलते हैं लव एप्पल. आज जाके घर में अपने मम्मी को बोले मम्मी मे आई हैव लव एप्पल प्लीज. मम्मी बोलेगी व्हाट इज द हेल इज दिस. बोलने का टमेटो. टमाटर को हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं लव एप्पल. ओके लेट्स गो. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में स्टेयर्स को क्या बोलते हैं. सीढ़ियों को क्या बोलते हैं हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में. यस. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में स्टेयर्स को क्या बोलते हैं. यस. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में स्टेयर्स को क्या बोलते हैं. एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स. क्या बोलेंगे. एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स.
Here.
फॉर एग्जांपल दोस आर एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स. उसका मतलब क्या होता है. स्टेयर्स. ओके. स्टेयर्स हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल अभी रजा को गजल लिखनी है. शेर शायरी करनी है कि नहीं. रजा अपनी ना होने वाली दुल्हन के बारे में शेर शायरी लिख रहे हैं. तो रजा कैसे लिख रहे हैं. अभी ऐसे थोड़ी बोलेंगे. वो गंदी सीढ़ियों से पचापच थूकी हुई सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतर रही है. कैसे बोलेंगे क्या. यस. रजा बोलेंगे क्या. कॉलेज की सीढ़ियों से वो नीचे उतर रही थी. कौन. दीदी. तो कॉलेज की सीढ़ी पे मस्त विमल खा के थूके हुए थे लोगों ने. तो बोलेंगे क्या वहां पर. नहीं. तो वो सीढ़ियों को क्या बोलेंगे वहां पर. एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स. समझ में आ रहा है. दोज आर एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स. आर दोज एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स. दोज aren't apples and pears. Is that clear? All right.
Yes.
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 बड़ा डिले लोगे यार आप लोग. Yes. चलो पढ़ो. By the way, I'm going to start an offline batch sooner, inshallah. As I've heard in the news that from 1st of June, everything is going to open slowly. So they are going to give the time of morning 7 to 3 p.m. something. So our class, as usually, we have our class in camp, and that is what till 11 o'clock only, not more than that. So I'm going to start offline classes as soon as possible. So if you are willing to join my offline class as well, you can come and you can welcome and you can meet me anytime. Or anytime मतलब रात के 12 बजे नहीं आना. Okay, so that you can come and you can meet me and we can have their offline classes as well from the coming month. That's what 1st of June. And apart from this one, wanted to tell you here is what this is the kit. ये अपने class का kit है. It is what Cambridge tutorials. Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Cambridge tutorials.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is what the kit of our class. ये मेरे class का kit है. So whenever you are going to join offline class or if you are willing to have the documents, जो भी मैंने आपको documents दिया हूँ, digital documents जो आपको free में मिले यहाँ पर, कहाँ पर online class के अंदर. If you are willing to have those documents in hard copy, you can get it by this one. आपको एक kit मिलेगा. Okay. So this kit is there. In this kit we have the file. File के अंदर आपको आ जाएंगे documents. Okay. You will get the documents. जो file मैंने आपको दिया हूँ, उसका पूरा documents आपको मिल जाएगा ऐसा. Okay. In the file. Apart from this one, you'll get their foolscaps with the file in the same bag. Okay. Then you have their grammar book. Then you have their vocabulary book. ये मैंने सब आपको PDF में send किया हो ना?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So you'll
sir.
have there all the hard copies.
Okay.
Apart from this one, you'll get their stationery as well. Black pen, red pen, highlighter, pocket jotter. आपको पूरा stationery इसके अंदर मिल जाएगा. So this is what the whole kit I have. So if you are willing to have it, you can have it. Okay. So but if you want, so you can get it. You can meet me in camp and I'll give you the kit. All right. Let's go ahead. Continue. Who's the next now? So, and if you have any other friends, relatives, girlfriends, boyfriends, आजू वाला, बाजू वाला, ऊपर वाला, नीचे वाला, whoever are willing to join classes offline, they can come to me in camp. All right, I'll be meeting you there in the morning. सिर्फ मैं morning में रहता हूँ वहाँ पर. Morning के बाद में मैं ऐसे चले जाता हूँ. All right. So this is what you can meet me in camp. My class is there, opposite Madina Restaurant near Pune College. All right. So if you have there, no madam, वो kit free नहीं है. वो किट का अमाउंट है 1500 only. Okay, the kit price is there 1500. It's not free. Thank you. So if you are willing to have that kit, आप वो किट के जरिए आपके आने वाले बच्चे बिच्चे, खाला बिला, मामू चाचा नाना फूफा विपा, सास की बेटी की तीसरी चौथी शादी, सबको आप पढ़ा सकते हो उसके अंदर से. ओके, लेट्स गो. इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल. जिसको चाहिए वो ले सकता है, नहीं चाहिए तो कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. All right, let's go. Let's go ahead. Now make sentences once again with those are. Continue. Those are. Plural countable noun. Those are. Those are gymnasiums. Or those gymnasiums. Those aren't gymnasiums. Continue.
Those are countries. Are those countries? Those aren't countries.
Good. Next.
Those are trousers, are those trousers, those aren't trousers.
Very good. Next.
Sir, what
Those
is
are
mean by
freshers.
casino?
Satellite.
Casino.
कैसीनो. वो जुआ खेलते मालूम है ना, कैसीनो पत्ते बित्ते खेलते उधर, गेम्स वगैरह रहते हैं, देखा रहेगा आपने, रूलेट वगैरह खेलते हैं लोग. कैसीनो पत्ते बित्ते गेम खेलते पैसे से. कैसीनो नहीं पता है आपको?
नहीं पता.
मैडम बहुत शरीफ है आप तो. हाँ मैडम. मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं. कैसीनो मैं बताता हूँ, वेट अ मिनट. गेम्स वगैरह खेलते हैं उसके अंदर. देखो आपने देखा रहेगा बहुत सारे लोग लाइक दिस, ये गेम्स वगैरह होती है. देखो
कार्ड वगैरह.
कार्ड्स वगैरह खेलते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं. मूवीज वगैरह में देखा रहेगा आपने. यस नो, पूल वगैरह खेलते हैं, कार्ड्स वगैरह खेलते हैं लोग उसके अंदर. दैट्स व्हाट अ कैसीनो. आप गूगल में अगर टाइप करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा वहाँ पर, आपको याद भी आ जाएगा. मैडम बहुत ज़्यादा शरीफ है आप तो, आपको कैसीनो ही नहीं पता है. हमारे रज्जो को पूछो. रज्जो, बार बीर हमको सब मालूम है. बार
Yes,
कैसीनो
sir.
कैसीनो. हाँ देखो यस सर बोल रहा हूँ ऊपर से, सब मालूम है अपना।
एज नॉलेज के लिए मालूम रखना पड़ता है सर।
हाँ, नॉलेज के सब मालूम रखना पड़ता है सर। कौन सी लेता हूँ मैं? टॉनी ब्लैक, ब्रांडी, स्कॉच, रम, नॉलेज के लिए सर। सर क्या मुझे भी नॉलेज के लिए रखना पड़ता है। वर्ल्ड का सबसे खतरनाक ड्रग कौन सा है?
नहीं मालूम सर, ये इतना सब नहीं मालूम।
अच्छा इतना सब नहीं मालूम है। यस मिस शाइमा, कौन सा है? मिस महक, मैं थोड़ी लेती,
डोंट
ऐसा
नो, नहीं
बोलना नहीं,
पता।
हाँ। ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, आपको कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकता है। वर्ल्ड का सबसे खतरनाक ड्रग कौन सा है पता है आपको? आयशा मैम आपको मालूम है? आयशा मैम, मैडम
नो
खाना
सर,
बनाने चले
नो
गए।
नो
ओके, मिस्टर कदीर कभी अगर लेकर आ गए घर पे तो?
नो, नॉट पॉसिबल।
ओ माशाल्लाह, मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैम। सो इफ यू सी देयर, वर्ल्ड का सबसे खतरनाक जो है ना ड्रग, वो है क्रोकोडिल। रशियन ड्रग है, बहुत जबरदस्त है, बहुत खतरनाक है। मैंने लिया नहीं कभी, पढ़ते रहते हैं अपन, आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए। क्या बोले?
मालूम सब है आपको।
अरे वो बात है कि मैं सुपारी भी खाता नहीं, बड़ी शॉप भी खाता नहीं मैं, बट पता होना चाहिए। गुड, ऑल राइट, लेट्स गो गाइस, मेक सेंटेंसेस नाउ। Yes, those are petrotales. Are those
कौन
petrotales?
सा
Those are petrotales.
क्रोकोडाइल, कौन सा बोले?
क्रोकोडिल, क्रोकोडिल
क्रोकोडाइल।
सबसे हेवी ड्रग है वर्ल्ड का। वर्ल्ड का आपको मालूम है? अरे भाई कुत्ते भौंक रहे, कुत्ते भौंक रहे, पीछे पीछे कुत्ते भौंक रहे, बंद करो उनको प्लीज। इफ यू सी देयर, आपको पता है अभी से 6 साल पहले, अभी से जस्ट 6 years ago, no not exactly 6, yes 4 years ago, वर्ल्ड के अंदर वर्ल्ड का सबसे महंगा वोडका था। इट वाज इन डेनमार्क, चोरी हो गई थी उसकी बोतल, मालूम है आपको?
नहीं।
वर्ल्ड का सबसे
नो सर,
महंगा कितने का था मालूम है वोडका? वो
नहीं
12.5,
पता।
इतनी सी बॉटल थी उसकी खाली, जस्ट इतनी बड़ी। इट वाज जस्ट सो टाइनी बॉटल वाज देयर, सोने की बॉटल थी उसकी इतनी बड़ी। एक बेवड़े ने चुरा लिया था उसको, 12.5 करोड़ की बॉटल थी इतनी सी वोडका। रजा अगर आप चोरी करते थे क्या करते थे उसको? रजा क्या करते? सपोज अगर अभी आप लोग अगर चोरी करते थे क्या करते थे उसका, चोरी करके?
बेच देता मैं तो।
बेच आते।
वेरी नाइस। और एनी आंसर? रजा आप क्या करते थे? मिस महक तो बेचना रही है।
मतलब किसने चुराया था सर?
एक बेवड़े ने चुराया था वहां पर डेनमार्क में। आप क्या करेंगे? मैं आपको सिर्फ ये सवाल क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मजे के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं आप लोगों का सिर्फ दिमाग चेक करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ कि आप लोग क्या करेंगे, और उसने क्या किया था फिर मैं आपको वो बताता हूँ। यस,
चुरा लिया तो टेस्ट कर लेंगे।
वेरी नाइस। मैडम पी कर देखेंगे, और पीने के बाद में क्या करेंगे मैम?
बेच देंगे बच्चों।
वेरी नाइस, बेचेंगे। आयशा मैम आप क्या करेंगे?
टेस्ट करूंगी पहले।
क्या मैम? टेस्ट
इतनी
करेंगे?
महंगी है ना तो टेस्ट।
ओह माय गॉड। शाइमा मैडम व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू?
सर वो बेवड़ा है।
बेच दूंगी मैं तो।
गया भाड़
वेरी
में।
नाइस। मनी भाई पहले पैसे देके पैसे क्लियर। मिस्टर जय व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू?
सर उसको होल्ड करूंगा और थोड़े टाइम के लिए, और अगर और मनी प्राइस बढ़ेगा तब उसको बेचूंगा।
गॉड, मैं उसको स्टॉक करके रखूंगा, जैसा और आगे बढ़ेगा तो मैं उसको बेचूंगा। वेरी नाइस। शोएब व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू?
पर बेचेंगे तो पकड़े जाएंगे ना।
ओह वेरी नाइस,
सर
व्हाट अ
जेल भी हो
कॉन्स्पिरेसी।
सकती है।
ओह माय गॉड, कितना आगे का सोच रही है। ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग। वो बेवड़े ने क्या किया मालूम है? बेवड़े ने क्या किया रहेगा
क्या
उसमें?
किया?
अपन कैसे, अपन पढ़े लिखे रहने के बाद में भी अपन ऐसे एड़े चाले करेंगे, अपन उसको टेस्ट करेंगे, अपना ईमान भी खराब कर सकते हैं मे बी। हम लोग उसको उठा के रखेंगे, फिर हम उसको बेचने के लिए जाएंगे, फिर पुलिस अपने पीछे आएगी, फिर अपने पुलिस 2 टाइम देगी, लेकिन ना साहब मैं लेके आता, साहब साहब माफ करो। बेवड़े ने क्या किया मालूम है आपको? बेवड़े ने पीआर फेंक दिया उसको। सोने की
वही।
बॉटल, उसकी बॉटल ही कम से कम ना 17-18 लाख रुपए बॉटल थी वो। बेवड़े बाबा ने पिया, फेंक दिया उसको एक कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट के ऊपर, मेरी 2 दिन
सर
के बाद।
बेवड़े का काम कोई नहीं था सर।
उसने
सोचो,
यही सोचा, बेचा तो
दम मारो दम भूल जाओ गम। बेवड़े ने क्या किया? पिया एंजॉय किया बेवड़े ने। बेवड़ा बोला गया भाड़ में सब, वर्ल्ड का सबसे अमीर आदमी बन गया मैं। क्यों? सबसे बड़ा नशेड़ी। कैसा?
उसने
इतनी
वो
क-
पिया होगा इसलिए।
करेक्ट, इतनी बड़ी बियर तो इतना बड़ा वोडका तो बेचारे अंबानी ने नहीं पिया, मैंने पिया हूँ, मैं अंबानी से बड़ा हो गया। ओ माय गॉड, दिमाग।
तो पकड़े
अपन
कैसे गया फिर?
पकड़े गया ही नहीं वो। अभी तक पकड़े नहीं गया, वो बॉटल मिली
प्रूफ
खाली।
ही
अब
नहीं
वो
मिला होगा सर किसी को।
क्या मालूम उसका सबूत क्या है, मैंने पिया, क्या सबूत है, क्या सबूत क्या है अभी? इसको बोलते दिमाग। बाहर के बेचारे बेवड़े भी अच्छे हैं और अपने इधर के पढ़े लिखे गवर्नमेंट देखो कितनी अच्छी है अपनी इधर की, वाह। वो पूर्ण लॉकडाउन नाही आहे, फक्त ते निबंध आहे.
हाँ
Bullshit.
सर।
And Kaika, if you see there, there is no sense. If you see there, there is huge traffic on the signals. Yes or no?
Yes.
There is
Yes.
no
Yes, sir.
corona. Correct? Hotels are open. Today also I went to the hotel. I had their food, and there was huge public, and there is no corona. Traffic is there, no corona. Hotels are open, no corona. Correct? Streets are completely full, no corona. But if you open the class, you'll get fine of 50,000. If you open the shop, you'll get fine of 50,000. Bullshit. Is this the rule?
No.
Don't you think this is the shit rule? Nonsense. I getting the
एड़ा
point?
बना रहे सर।
एड़ा नहीं, खुद एड़े हैं वो, दुनिया को और एड़ा बना रहे पढ़े लिखे लोगों को, आपके मेरे जैसे लोगों को. And we people are accepting it. How shameful it is. Sorry.
Yes sir, हम बन गए.
क्या बोलेंगे यार अब. ट्रैफिक इतना हो रहा है, वहां पे कोरोना नहीं है. होटल्स खुले, वहां पे कोरोना नहीं है. बाकी इतना सिग्नल्स खुले, इतना ट्रैफिक जम रहा है, वहां पे कोरोना नहीं है. स्ट्रीट्स मार्केट्स चालू, वहां पे कोरोना नहीं है. क्लास खोले तो कोरोना आएगा. एड़े. If you see my
अरे
class, the class is huge. Alhamdulillah, the class is very huge, and the students are sitting very separately. But still, if I open the class, they're going to find me. That's why I had shut down my class.
Because it is our compulsion. We have to accept it.
Yeah, unfortunately, indeed, we can't do anything. Just wait a minute, please. Till that, make sentences. Make sentences, all of you, faster. Make.
These are teddies. Are these teddies? These aren't teddies.
Next.
Those are bamboos. Are those bamboos? Those aren't bamboos.
Bamboos. Next.
Those are freshers. Are those freshers? Those aren't freshers.
Good. Next.
Those are stickers. Are those stickers? Those aren't stickers.
Good. Next.
Those are clutches. Are those clutches? Those aren't clutches.
Good. Next.
Those are cleaners. Are
those gymnasiums? Those aren't gymnasiums.
Gymnasiums.
Those are shoppers. Are those shoppers? Those aren't shoppers.
Good. Next.
those
Those
are
are
clubs.
scientists.
Are
Yes,
those
sir.
clubs? Those aren't clubs.
Clubs. Yes, Mr. Jay.
Those are scientists. Are those scientists? Those aren't scientists.
Scientists. Next.
Those are benches. Are those benches?
Those
Those
are
aren't
hooligans. Are
benches.
those hooligans? Those aren't hooligans.
Benches. Hooligans. Next. Yes. Those are cafes. Are those cafes? Those aren't cafes. Those are shouts. Are those shouts? Those aren't
Those are
shouts.
mosques. Are those
Those-
mosques?
Good. Next.
Those are executive chairs. Are those executive chairs? Those aren't executive chairs.
Next.
Those are those hospitals? Those aren't.
Barbarians. Are those barbarians?
Good. Executive chairs, hospitals, barbarians. Next.
Those are cadets.
Yes. Are those cadets? Those aren't cadets.
Good. Next.
Those are
Those are
cadets. Are
creators.
those cadets?
Yes, yes, Mr. Jay.
Those are cadets. Are those cadets? Those aren't cadets.
Good. Next.
Those are preachers. Are those preachers? Those aren't preachers.
Preachers. Next.
Those are cleaners and those are cleaners.
Good, cleaners. Next.
Those are monasteries. Are those monasteries? Those aren't monasteries.
Good, next.
Those are aviators. Those aren't aviators.
Are those
Are
aviators?
those aviators?
Aviators. Next.
Those are aircraft. Are those aircraft? Those aren't aircraft.
Next. Those are cowards. Are those cowards? Those aren't cowards. Those are arenas. Are those arenas? Those aren't arenas. Those are timids.
are
Are those
uniforms.
timids? Those aren't timids. Yes.
Those are uniforms. Are those uniforms? Those aren't uniforms.
Those aren't uniforms. Next.
Those are unit. Are those
Those are
units?
users, are those
Are
users,
those
those
aren't
aren't
units?
users.
Good. Units. Yes, Rajjo.
Those are users, are those users, those aren't users.
Very good. Users. Next.
Those are series. Are those series? Those aren't series.
Good. Series. Next.
Those
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 are
are emails.
fins. Those aren't fins.
Good. Fins. Jay.
those are officers. Are those officers? Those aren't officers.
Next.
Those are emails. Are those emails? Those aren't emails.
Good. Next.
Those are solicitors. Are those solicitors? Those aren't solicitors.
Next.
Those are units, are those units, those aren't units.
Units. Next.
Those are advantages. Are those advantages? Those aren't advantages.
Good. Next. Next. Those are utensils. Are those utensils? Good. Those are utensils. Are those utensils? Those aren't utensils. Next.
Those are advocates. Are those advocates? Those aren't advocates.
Advocates. Next. Those are openers. Are those openers? Those aren't openers. Next.
Those
Those are flats, are those flats, those aren't flats.
Flats. Next.
those are bicycles. Are those bicycles? Those aren't bicycles.
Good. Next.
Those are drops. Are those drops? Those aren't drops.
Good. Next. Next.
Those are radios. Are those radios? Those aren't radios.
Good. Next.
Those are mics, are those mics, those aren't mics.
Good. Next.
Those are specs. Are those specs? Those aren't specs.
Good. Next.
Those are groups. Are those groups? Those aren't groups.
Next.
Those are chairs. Are those chairs? Those aren't chairs.
Chairs. Next. Yes.
Those are PDFs. Are those PDFs? Those aren't PDFs.
Good. Next.
Those are apps. Are those apps? Those aren't apps.
Good. Next.
Those are covers. Are those covers? Those aren't covers.
बाकी लोग सो रहे हैं क्या? Okay, let's go for the next. Let's go for the next, and then that is the last one. This was. Okay. Now, when do we use this was?
Near.
When do we use? Correct.
Something is near and something is singular.
Correct. When something is near and when something is singular. जिसका नहीं हुआ था वापस से ध्यान दीजिएगा, आप लोगों को वापस समझ में आ जाएगा. When do we use this? This मतलब when something is near and when something is singular. जब कोई चीज नजदीक है और एक रहेगा, हम लोग उसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? This. For example, this. This is a phone. Correct? ये phone है. Now, when do we use the was? When do we use was? For the correct, for the past tense. Correct, for the past tense. For example, this was a phone. ये phone था. ये phone था. This was a phone. Was this a phone? This wasn't a phone. For example, this was a bottle. Was this a bottle? This wasn't a bottle. This was a classroom. Was this a classroom? This wasn't a classroom. This was a key. Was this a key? This wasn't a key. This was a password. Was this a password? This wasn't a password. This was a table. Was this a table? This wasn't a table. This was a satchel. Was this a satchel? This wasn't a satchel. This was a mirror. Was this a mirror? This wasn't a mirror. This was an iron. Was this an iron? This wasn't an iron. This was a mat. Was this a mat? This wasn't a mat. This was a color board. Was this a color board? This wasn't a color board. This was a knob. Was this a knob? This wasn't a knob. What is knob? Knob. दरवाजे का मालूम लैच रहती, लैच घुमा के आप लोग खोलते हैं उसको, दैट इज नॉब. ओके, घर में रहता है ना, दरवाजे में रहेगा, आप लोग के घुमा के ऐसे खोलते दरवाजा, दैट्स व्हाट नॉब. This was an oyster. Was this an oyster? This wasn't an oyster. What do you mean by A? 1. What do you mean by an?
1.
1.
One.
All right, let's go. This was मतलब यानी ये था. This was an squeezer. Was this an squeezer? This wasn't a squeezer. This was an
Sir,
opener.
what?
Was this an opener? This wasn't an opener. Yes.
Sir, what do you mean by oyster?
Oyster का मतलब क्या होता है? Pearl, oyster and pearl. Oyster का मतलब क्या होता है? सिप्पी. मतलब है pearl, pearl मोती जिसमें बनता है वो. क्या बोलते हैं उसको आप लोग मराठी में? शिंपला के क्या बोलते हैं? शिंग क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Okay, okay. हाँ, simple.
है ना? So that's what an oyster. सिप्पी रहती है ना,
Yes, yes.
उसको बोलेंगे oyster. ओके. इंग्लिश में एक प्रोवर्ब है, मेरा बहुत फेवरेट प्रोवर्ब है, बताता हूँ मैं आप लोग को. Retaliate like an oyster which wounded gives pearls. कितना ब्यूटीफुल, ये देखो, which is wounded and gives pearls. ये थोड़ा सा उल्टा कर रहा है, एक्चुअली इतना लंबा नहीं है वो सिर्फ इतना है. Retaliate like an oyster which is wounded gives pearls. Which is wounded gives pearls. Okay, मतलब क्या है इसका? What do you mean by retaliate? Retaliate का मतलब क्या होता है? बदला देना. बदला देना, अपन लेते ना बदला, बदला लेते, तो उसका मतलब क्या है? Retaliate like an oyster which wounded gives pearl. मतलब है नहीं, बदला दो उस ऑयस्टर की तरह, उस सिप्पी की तरह, जो कि जख्मी होने के बाद में भी क्या देती है? वो जख्म नहीं देती, बल्कि क्या देती है? मोती देती है. और अपने इधर क्या होता है? धक्क्याला बुक्का. नाही, आमच्या इथं काय धक्क्याला बुक्का, मला धक्का दिला, आता मी तुला बुक्का देणार. है की नहीं? है ना मिस सुप्रिया? जय.
नहीं, sir.
नहीं, ओ माय गॉड, शरीफ मैडम. मिस
Same
महक,
like गांधी जी.
ओ माय गॉड, अरे ये ज्यादा हो गया. इतने अच्छे तो
एक
बिल्कुल भी
गान
नहीं.
करो दूसरा
अरे
गान.
नहीं, इतने अच्छे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. रज्जो अपना कैसे सिस्टम?
नो सर,
अपने को
बहुत
मारना
अलग है.
नहीं. अरे नहीं, रज्जो इतना शरीफ नहीं है अपन, मेरे को मालूम ना. सो किसकी तरह दो बदला? किसकी तरह दो? वो सिप्पी की तरह, जो कि जख्मी होने के बाद में भी जख्म नहीं देती, बल्कि मोती देती है. आहा. रज्जो, ये ब्रेकअप सेंटेंस है, जाके आज गर्लफ्रेंड को बोलना, एक आधी बार रुक सकती है वो. कंटिन्यू. चलो भाई, गिव मी सेंटेंसेस. Yes.
This was a rule.
Was this a rule?
Was this a rule? This wasn't rule.
Rule. Okay, this was a rule. Was this a rule? This wasn't a rule. Next. Jaldi. This was a casino. Was this a casino? Yes. Was this a grievance?
Was this grievance? This wasn't grievance.
Correct. This was a grievance. Was this a grievance? This wasn't a grievance. Next. This was a door. Was this a door? This wasn't a door. Jaldi. This was.
This was a car. Was this car? This wasn't car.
A car. A car.
Okay.
Next.
This was a cactus. Was this a cactus? This wasn't a cactus.
Cactus. Very good. Next. This was.
This was a
This was
cab. Was this a cab? This wasn't a cab.
Next. Miss Mahek. Miss Aisha. Yes.
This was a headphone. Was this headphone? This wasn't
Oh.
headphone.
A headphone. A headphone. Very good.
This
Continue.
was an almanac.
This was a word.
Was this an almanac? This wasn't an almanac.
An almanac. Next.
This was
This
a
was
word.
a
Yes, Mr. Jai.
This was a word. Was this a word? This wasn't a word.
Good. Next.
this was a candy. Was this a candy? This wasn't a candy.
Candy. Next.
This was an aloe vera. Was this
a
an
palm?
aloe
This
vera?
wasn't a palm.
This wasn't aloe vera.
Good. An aloe vera. But generally, aloe vera is also uncountable. Huh? Chalo, continue.
This was a format. Was this a format? This wasn't format.
Good. Next.
Was a hammock. Was this a hammock? This wasn't a hammock.
A hammock. Next.
This was a tool. Was this a tool? This wasn't a tool.
A tool. Next.
सर एलोवेरा ट्री तो काउंट कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, पर आपने ट्री थोड़ी बोला, आपने एलोवेरा बोला. Correct.
This was a battery. Was this a battery? This wasn't a battery.
Very good. Next.
This was a window.
gallery.
Was this a window? This wasn't a window.
Very good. Window. Next.
This was a gallery. Was this a gallery? This wasn't a gallery.
Very good. Next.
This was a cushion. Was this a cushion? This wasn't a cushion.
Very good. Next.
This was a mirror. Was this a mirror? This wasn't mirror.
A mirror. Very good. Next.
This was
This
a
was a
history.
hand
Was
card.
this a
Was
history?
this a hand card? This wasn't a hand card.
Flower. Hand card. Very good. Next.
This was a history. Was this a history? This wasn't a history.
Very good. This was a casino. Was this a casino? This wasn't a casino. Any doubts to anyone? Any questions?
No, sir.
No.
वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा कैसीनो कहाँ पर है? Yes.
Hong Kong?
कहाँ पर
या
है?
बैंकॉक?
No.
बैंकॉक?
Singapore.
No. पेरिस में, फ्रांस. कैलिफोर्निया भी नहीं है. फ्रांस में, पेरिस में. पेरिस में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा कैसीनो है. Okay. Chalo. By the way, for today we are going to stop here. We are going to continue this tomorrow. Please practice at home, and inshallah, maybe tomorrow we are going to finish this topic. Okay, and we are going to start a new topic from Monday, maybe. So get ready for this one. And if you have any other friends who are willing to join offline classes, online classes, give my reference. We'll talk to them. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Okay. See you. Cheerio.
Bye. Cheerio. Take care.